What we do is provide gear to AV professionals that go out and do the shows. At Nationwide, our client base is built on the rental and staging community. So these are companies out there that are doing these live events, whether it's a Broadway show, a rock concert, corporate events. They have a staff, they have equipment, and we're here to supplement and augment their inventory.
We develop the business relationship with our customers. It's a two-way street. So they know that if we don't have something available for them, we will go out and rent it from another customer, and they know that we have trusting customers. So.
Over the years, quality's always been a real big thing for us, and everybody QC's gear. These guys are the secret sauce, like the team, the customer service team, our management team, our guys behind the scenes that are QCing the gear, our shipping and receiving guys. That to me is like our secret sauce.
We relate to everybody that we talk to because we have been there. The gear that we send out comes with just about everything we can think of that's going to pair with that gear, because we know when you're there in a pinch, you might be looking for it, and that's why we put it in the case. We know what might be needed at some point.
You can go anywhere and try to rent gear, but there's a history here and a knowledge. It's not just the customer service guys that have been out in the field. All our QC techs and even a lot of our shipping and receiving guys are from the AV industry, and so they understand what it takes. It's got that Nationwide sticker on it. We hear people talk about it all the time. When we see that Nationwide green on the box, we know we're in good shape. For more information about the products we carry or to see our line card, visit our website at nationwidevideo.com.